So I'm very happy to now sort of do a tour around the world, looking at different examples of CHP applications in district heating, and we'll begin actually in Canada. So I'm very pleased to welcome Jan Buijk, who is the CEO, founder, and co-owner of AB Energy Canada Limited. And we're very pleased to have him present a case study from Calgary, Canada. Jan, if you're there, you can reveal yourself.
Yeah, Hans, you're one of the few people that actually correctly pronounces my last name. I've lived in Canada since 1987 and 88, and in the early days continued to pronounce my name the correct way, Jan Buijk. But after continuing to repeat myself, it became Jan Buijk. Yeah, so that's pretty hard. Let me just see if I can get this thing going here.
Jan, it helps if you're Dutch.
And presentation. Good. I assume this is visible right now.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. My name is Jan Buijk. I'm CEO of AB Energy Canada. I've been in the cogeneration business my entire career since 2001, working with Jenbacher gas engines, and then since 2013 as a member of the Grupo AB organization. It's still dark here. Yeah, I'm actually calling in from Lake Louise, and in a few hours from now, when the sun gets up, then the view from my hotel room is what you see in the picture here. In Lake Louise, we're attending a conference organized by Decentralized Energy Canada. So also a Canadian organization very active in promoting CHP and other decentralized local energy resources. Quick introduction to AB. First and foremost, the people. Company with about 1,200 people, more than 140 engineers active in product development and engineering, and more than 300 service technicians around the world. AB is headquartered in the town of Orce-Nuovi, which is about 45 minutes east of Milan in Italy. And here you see some of the facilities. It's like monopoly where the AB organization over the years slowly but surely is taking over all the buildings in an industrial area around Orce-Nuovi. With in the foreground is the our main production facility, which is large 40,000 square meter facility. Currently present in 20 countries around the world, primarily Europe and the Americas, so North as well as South America. We are hardware business. Yes, the core business for many years has been pre-engineered, packaged, containerized cogeneration systems for natural gas, containing everything: the generator set, the controls, heat recovery equipment, ventilation systems, operating on biogas, natural gas, landfill gas. Also, we have greenhouse-specific system design for installation inside the greenhouse with exhaust heat recovery, exhaust cleaning, and specifically dedicated for the utilization in the greenhouse sector. And then also special gas operation, such as hydrogen, syngas, and other combustible fuels. More recently, we've entered the RNG space, where we would again have the pre-engineered containerized solutions, but in this case to upgrade biogas to biomethane or RNG, and also be able to liquefy the biomethane. And at AB, we're also the publisher of the Net Zero 2 portal that is focused on biogas, biomethane, cogeneration, with more than 2,000 videos that can be viewed with case studies of the different applications. So when we look at the district energy system, district energy center in Calgary, it's in the East Village area, which just borders on the downtown core of Calgary, and this is where it's located. Yeah, the area in red is where the district energy system, where the East Village is located. It was also one of the first settlements, Fort Calgary, some centuries ago, and the area, some years ago was kind of cut off from the main downtown area, and traditionally being a industrial area, started to deteriorate quite badly, and some crime areas, and that resulted in 2005 that the city council decided to proceed with a redevelopment plan of the area, and so by 2005 they started the planning to really redevelop the area. And that is, that has resulted in one of the trendier areas in Calgary right now. So older industrial buildings were completely renovated, new modern facilities, condominiums, housing. So it has become quite a unique area just bordering the Calgary downtown area, and this then also resulted in 2005 that the studies began by NMAX, the electric utility in Calgary, to evaluate the potential of district energy in this area. This was all in 2010 that the district energy system was in place, started commercial operation. It has been the cornerstone of this area. By 2010 was the first building connected to the district energy system. That time had 4 high-efficiency natural gas boilers that combined were able to produce up to 60 megawatts thermal of hot water, of heating. And then, if you look at the system itself, this is currently 22 buildings connected, about 12 kilometers of hot water piping that connect these buildings. About 50% is new construction, and then 50% is existing buildings that have been retrofitted to be able to connect to the district energy system. Altogether, about 6 million square feet of building space that is currently heated through this district energy plant. So the CHP plant that was added to the district energy center is a Jenbacher Model 620. Unfortunately, the building would not facilitate to install one of our pre-engineered systems. So this is traditional ship loose equipment, generator set, heat recovery equipment, SCR, that then has to be custom built, custom installed on site. This system reached commercial operation in 2018 and is currently running 24/7, providing heat into the district energy loop. Heat recovery is at producing hot water at 113 degrees Celsius, and electricity is running behind the meter, so the system can operate in thermal load following mode, electrical load following mode, fixed set point on power production, but it's displacing electricity otherwise purchased from the grid. So why would somebody add CHP to a district energy system? It will lower energy cost. It will improve power reliability. Natural gas grid is exponentially more reliable than electrical grid, so it will improve the resilience of the system, will improve power quality. It also will facilitate transition to renewable fuels, and that is something that the Calgary District Energy Center is also looking at. Low carbon fuels, whether it's RNG, whether it's hydrogen, looking at geothermal, solar. So like most district energy systems around the world, exploring different sources of heat and decarbonize the system. And one thing that is also noteworthy is that a few years ago, flooding of downtown Calgary, although the district energy center had a lot of flooding into their basement, the system actually did survive through that period and continue to operate despite the flooding of the downtown area. So why would one consider AB? We're a global organization, so whether you're in Europe, in South America, North America, we go where you go. I always tell people, one chicken, two choke. So we take full responsibility from manufacturing through startup and ongoing service support, responsible, accountable for the ongoing success of power generation, cogeneration plant, backed by AB protection plan that covers all maintenance costs for the entire power plant, with guaranteed ownership costs for the length of a contract. So thank you very much. Thank you, Cogeneration World, for giving us an opportunity to talk about one of our Canadian projects. And Hans, back to you.
Thank you very much, Jan. Excellent presentation, excellent example. Thank you very much. Well, as I mentioned, we have a dedicated Q&A session. So if the speakers can, they can take a look at the questions on the Q&A function, and we'll address them at the end of the session.